Are you tired of hiding your belly under layers of clothes? Want to burn that stubborn belly fat and finally feel confident in just 7 days? Then don't skip this video, because the change you've been waiting for starts now. Get ready, because we're about to target your belly fat with 5 powerful exercises. Each one hits your core, burns calories, and sculpts your waistline. Let's begin. First leg in and outs. Sit on the floor with your hands behind you, slightly leaning back. Extend your legs out, and then bring your knees in toward your chest. This movement fires up your lower abs and strengthens your core. Feel that burn? That's your belly shrinking. Keep going for 30 seconds. Take 5 seconds rest. You've earned it. 2. Heel touch. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Now reach your right hand to your right heel, then left hand to left heel. Side to side, nice and controlled. This targets your obliques, shaping those side abs and trimming the waistline. Breathe out with each touch. Feel that deep burn. Rest for 5 seconds. Let's go. 3. Starfish Crunch. Time to tone like a star. Lie flat, arms and legs wide open. Now crunch up. Try to touch your right hand to your left foot. Then switch. You're working your full core here. This exercise strengthens your upper and lower abs together. You're one step closer to that dream belly. 30 seconds on the clock. Take a 5-second breather. Inhale, exhale. 4. Slow mountain climber. Get into a plank position. Bring one knee forward slowly, then switch. Unlike the fast ones, this slow version engages your deep core muscles and melts fat with control. It's not a race, it's a transformation. Keep climbing and you're getting there. Now breathe. 5 seconds, rest. 5. Russian twist. Sit down, lean back slightly, and twist side to side. Keep your core tight. You can keep your feet on the floor or lift them for more burn. This is a killer move for sculpting your entire waistline and shaping those abs. Imagine that flat tummy while you twist. You can do this. And rest for 5 seconds. You just crush this session. But don't stop here. If you want the full 7-day belly fat burning guide, plus a powerful diet plan to speed up results, join our Telegram channel right now. All links to our Telegram and social media accounts are in the description. Let's burn that fat and transform together. And hey, if you're also struggling with leg fat, then don't miss this next video right here. Click it now and let's keep transforming together. You've got this, warrior.